Welcome to this video on Premiere effects. There are all kinds of video effects you can use. Adjustments, color, light, stylizing, speed effects, masking. It would be exhausting to go over all of them, but I thought it would be helpful to highlight a few and show you how to apply and adjust them. I've got some later videos that will show you a few of my favorite combos for some special looks. You can access video effects when you're in the editing workspace via the project bin and media browser area simply by clicking the double arrow and dropping to effects. You can also switch to the effects workspace. Either method works. Note that you can search for effects or explore different categories. Note that you have color effects, audio and video effects, as well as transitions for both video and audio. Let's start with transitions. You may be familiar with transitions in things like presentations. Like presentations, a little goes a long way. Generally in news, you want to avoid the cinematic sort of fades and dissolves, instead relying more on J or L cuts to move the story. Let's look at some video transitions. So notice you have dissolves, you have wipes, you have zooms. Let's apply one of the dissolves. This might be familiar to you, the idea of a cross dissolve. So when I apply this cross dissolve, notice it applies across both clips. We can adjust this inside our effect controls up in the upper left-hand corner. And so I can change where that cross dissolve happens and the duration of it. Audio transitions work exactly the same way. Let's look at a different type of effect. I'm going to go into video effects and let's look at lighting. And so again, we can always search for effects. So I'm going to grab this lighting effect. Again, I'm dragging it and I'm dropping it on top of this clip. And so this lighting effect has created a spotlight. And for lighting effects, I have a few more options here. I can change the type of light, and all this is under the lighting effects. So hopefully that gives you a couple of ideas of how you can get started applying effects and encourage you to experiment with them just a little bit more.